In this video, we're going to take a look at the activity grid. So the activity grid allows us to see on a very specific level how students are interacting with the course and what activities that they are engaging in. So let's click on Activity Grid to view it. So from here I can see a number of pieces of information, and again these are temporal or time-based, so what's happening each week. So for instance, I can see that in the week of August 27th to November 2nd, no one accessed the class content. If I scroll down and look at it, I can also see that there was no calendar access or submissions. Now if I go back, I may actually see that there is some activity. I don't think there is in this one, but you'll get the idea. If you did have activity, you'd be able to see how people are interacting with that content. So let's take a look at what you can see. You can see how many times a student has accessed the class. Now this means that the student clicked on the View Course button. You can see if they accessed items from the calendar. So if they clicked on an object from the calendar, this would show that as well. If they submitted any assignments, if they created topics in the discussions, if they responded to a topic or replied to a response. Again, if I have a large class or more classes in there, I can scroll up and down to see that, as well as scroll over here. Down at the bottom, I can go to the different weeks. So you can see week 5, week 6, week 7, and then on back. Go back in time here. There we go. We've got some tests here. We also see submissions, and we've got some information there. So that's one view of the activity grid that allows you to see if activities are occurring. So you can use this again to see what's going on. So you can see that the class access here was 6 during the week of August 11th through the 17th. Calendar access was 1, and there was 1 submission. So if you want to see this in that grid view and see what's going on in the course, this will give you a good idea of what's going on and the activity that's occurred. To leave the activity grid, I'm going to click on the course button, and that will take me back to this area, and I can then go to another feature.